In this video, we'll look into execute package stuff. For that, let us create another package. We are in this mytest package.dtsx. We create new SSIS package. While take task and there's something here we know, and let me name this. Rename my new package to all. New packages. Close it. Let us go to the new package. Let's drag a script task here. Microsoft Visual Basic here. Read script is opening now so that we can write the script. Go down here and just say message box. Say we are new package. Okay, save it, close it. Okay, okay. So this is my new package. We have got a script task in which we are showing that my new package. Close this, and this we are back in my test package. Here I will select execute package task. Okay, double click that package here, package name, and saying my new package. Now if I execute this, it should show that the message we have shown there in the script task. Execute. We are in new package. My test package open this my new package. This script task is running currently. So if I say okay, success, my new package has opened. So we call this package from my test package. My test package, we call this my new package, and in my new package we have that script task which is showing a message. We are in new package. So that's how you can execute a package and call another package. Now we'll pass parameter from my test package to my new package. So we are in my test package, and this is my new package. This is my new package. So let us go to my test package. We'll add a parameter. Here, add parameter. Call it. Let is be string, and the value would be I am test package. Go back to control flow, save it here. Now go to my new package, add a parameter, call it new package. So let's call it, and this is string. The value is my new package. And go back to control, save it, go back to my test package. From here we'll take the execute package task and execute the my new package. So double click this, go to package and package name from project reference, choose my new package, parameter bindings, add. So this is the child package parameter n, and this is the binding parameter p. Now let us go to my new package and we'll add a script task. Double click and change it for Visual Basic. If you want, you can write it in C#2. Read only variables. This is my new package, so we'll take n. This variable is inside the my new package. Edit script. So here we'll write the code and show this variable n. Before that, let me copy this variable, edit script, and add the code here. Here we say in cr string cr is equal to bts dot variables and we copied that package and that variable and dot value dot toString. And message box say str. Save it, close it, close it. Now, so here we are in my new package. We have got script task in my new package and the parameter is n and I am from my new package is the value. So if I execute this script task, it will show me I am from my new package. I am from my new package. Because we executed the my new package. Now we go to my test package. So what will happen if we execute this execute package task from here? Here we have the parameter I am from my test package P, and in the execute package task we are executing my new package .dtsx and we have binded this P to that n variable which is in the my new package. So This parameter and from my test package will be passed on to that n, and it will show this value. So if I execute this, so I am from my test package. See, it has executed this script task which is in my new package. So by executing this from my test package, we executed my new package and passed on the parameter from here to the my new package. That's how we can pass on parameters between packages. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.